Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica, and in today's video I'm going to set my timer for exactly 1 hour and I'm going to see how much I can get done. I ended up finishing everything in just under an hour. I was shocked how much I got finished just by setting a timer. So I hope this video brings you tons of cleaning motivation, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. So right here, I'm just showing you how I am setting my timer right here on my phone for exactly 1 hour. I will start by doing a load of laundry. Today, I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day laundry detergent in the honeysuckle scent. And then paired with that, I will use the fabric softener by 7th Generation. And this is in a lavender scent. So now that I have the laundry going, I'm just going to head on over into the kitchen and start cleaning in there. If you are new to my channel, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you do consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of cleaning motivation videos right here. I also do a lot of decorating and DIYs, and I would love to have you join me in this YouTube journey. And yeah, so go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that bell notification as well so you don't miss out on any videos.
Us, like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we stay.
So now that I have all the dishes put away, I'm just going to be loading the dishwasher back up, and then I will hand wash a few things that are in the sink. And I actually think it's only the blender jar, but I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap, and this is in the Snowdrop scent.
Always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy.
So now that I'm finished with the dishes, I'm going to clean out my sink really well, and I love to use the soft scrub cleanser along with the Dawn dish soap, and then I just use a regular dish sponge. I scrub it really clean, and then when I'm finished with that, I'm just going to drop down a lemon scented plank in my garbage disposal, and that just helps freshen it and clean it really well. So the next thing I normally do is just wipe down my countertops and table, but I did go to the grocery store today and I do have a few things that I need to put away. So I'm going to put those things away, take all the boxes to the recycling bin, and then I'm going to wipe down my countertops and table. And right here, I'm just going to show you where I am on time, and I think I'm doing really well so far. So now I'm just going to wipe down my countertops, and I will be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner, and this is in the orange clove scent.
Everything that I need.
So now that I have the kitchen nice and clean, I'm heading into the family room. I'm just going to straighten up the couch, fix the pillows, put the blankets away, and then before I vacuum, I'm just going to pick up the toys that my dog has left around, like his tennis balls and some of his dog toys. I'm just going to pick those up, and then I'm going to quickly run the vacuum before I head on upstairs.
Arms asleep like a baby, come hold me tight. I would give anything to hold you now. In color dreams, I see a dark green line. I still remember every sleepless night. But in your arms, asleep like a baby, come hold me tight. Lost in each other's eyes, down by the riverside.
So now that I have the downstairs finished, I have just under 20 minutes left. I'm going to head on upstairs, make my bed, and then I'm going to straighten up around the bedroom, like putting things away. I'm not going to be dusting or anything like that in here today because I really want to get a lot finished. So I'm just going to make my bed, straighten up, and then I'm going to head on into the master bathroom. I'm going to straighten up in there, and then I'm going to see how much time I have left.
Tonight, would you give anything to hold me now? Do you see dark green lights in your dreams somehow? Do you remember every sleepless night? If you were me, you would feel that fire that burns tonight. Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place.
Okay, so right now I feel so incredibly happy with how much I have accomplished with this cleaning, and I do have just under 10 minutes left, so I thought I would clean the downstairs bathroom. And if you guys have seen my other videos, cleaning videos, I always wear gloves when I clean the toilet, but I looked at the time and I couldn't find my gloves, and I didn't want to waste any time looking for them. So I just quickly cleaned the toilet, and I'm using the Clorox toilet wand to do that, and then I'm just wiping the whole toilet down with some disinfecting wipes, and those are by Lysol, I believe. And then I'm just going to wash my hands, put a clean fresh towel here, and then I will be finished.
All that time away from you, I didn't.
So I managed to get my entire house pretty much all nice and clean, at least straightened up pretty well, and I ended up having about 3 minutes left. So I highly encourage you guys to try this, maybe if you're expecting company or you'd really just want to run through your house and do a quick clean. This is a really good way to keep you on track. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you are new, I hope that you consider subscribing. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day. See you in the next one. Bye.